Across centuries, the United Kingdom has remained at the forefront of discoveries in medicine, physiology and biology, while setting the foundations for modern clinical research and evidence-based medicine. From pioneering breakthroughs in malaria, the neurosciences and the use of embryonic stem cells, among other areas, to laying the foundations for modern clinical randomized controlled trials. Despite these advancements, however, methods of testing and regulating new medical products remain costly, time-consuming and risky. They are established approaches to generate scientific evidence of medical product safety and performance, and each have recognized strengths and limitations. Fortunately, we are at a pivotal moment in the life sciences, where medicine meets unprecedented computational power and vast amounts of real-world medical data. This is enabling in silico trials. In silico trials use computer modeling and simulation to assess the impact of new health treatments. They represent a paradigm shift towards a safer, quicker and cost-effective road from research labs to the patient's bedside. Leveraging digital patient data, advanced computer modeling and simulation, and our increasing knowledge of human disease, we can transform how medical treatments are designed and tested. In this world of remarkable possibilities, no disease is too rare, no patient too young, and no community underrepresented. In silico trials can reflect the rich diversity of our global population, pioneering a future where equitability becomes a hallmark of health innovation. Crucially, in silico trials can quickly identify potential failure points in new medical products as an integral part of their conception and design, and long before they reach human or animal testing. This reduces both the financial costs and the timeline of treatment development, while simultaneously minimizing harm and accelerating the availability of these treatments to patients. But the transformative power of in silico trials doesn't stop at safer, better and fairer groundbreaking medical products. They herald an economic crescendo, fueling the creation of highly skilled jobs and a regulation system that encourages innovation, which attracts inward investment and leads to a more competitive life sciences sector, more sustainable design, and manufacturing aligned with Industry 4.0, consolidating the UK as a science and technology powerhouse. In this burgeoning digital era, one thing remains steadfastly crucial: trust. Trust in the computer models that guide in silico trials is ingrained in the conscientious hearts of healthcare professionals and seeded within the minds of patients. Using evidence from in silico trials is advantageous because it is a systematic way to assess the safety and efficacy of a medical product without putting patients at risk. Ensuring that computer models are accurate and reliable and assessing the associated risks of using these models are important in developing standards and guidance by professional associations and regulators. The UK, with its rich history of medical innovation and world-class scientific community, is well positioned to be a global leader in adopting and applying this innovative approach. By embracing in silico trials and the regulatory acceptance of in silico or digital evidence, we can create a safer, faster, and more cost-effective future in healthcare, delivering immense benefits to patients and the wider health services. As we embark upon this journey, we invite you to join the In Silico UK Regulatory Science and Innovation Network and delve into its various reports, which shed light on the numerous ways in silico trials stand to change the face of healthcare.